Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. My name is Amara. If today is your first time of seeing my face, you're welcome to the channel. Welcome. Please consider subscribing. Okay, so today I want to teach you guys on how to make French toast, delicious French toast for your loved ones. If you have kids, they will definitely going to love this. It's just very easy to prep. I'm going to show you guys the ingredients I'm using to make it today. If you want to find it very interesting, I'm subscribing. Okay, so let me show you guys the ingredients. Let's dive into this video right away. Slice of bread. My hands are clean. I've already washed them. I have 4 slices of bread. You can use any bread of your choice. I have milk. Okay, this is 1.5 cup of milk. Okay, then I have 1 big sizable egg. You can use any amount. And I have my chopped onions. It's optional. I have pepper, salt, seasoning cube, cinnamon, and oil. You can use groundnut oil, you can use butter, but I have my cinnamon, so I'm going to have my groundnut oil. I'm going to make do with the groundnut oil. So let's dive into this video. It's just an easy, simple recipe to prep for your loved ones. Let's go. Break your egg. Pepper. As many as you want. Then my salt, seasoning cube, then my chopped onions, then my milk, cinnamon has not been opened before. So when you're done, dip your bread inside. Make sure your hands are clean, please. Okay, my hands are clean. And my bread. Go with another one. And the last one. You can use your spoon or anything to just make sure that's pressed very, very well. And take it out because we still have some here. Choose your bread. okay, let me show you guys one so that you know what I'm talking about. Sorry, I'm holding my phone. Look at how, guys, okay, look at how fluffy it is. Look at, guys, can you guys see? Super so young. Your kids is going to love it. Yummy. Bye guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Come on, eat. Come on, eat, guys. Yum yum.